Hello everyone, this is my Snapon K260, roughly about 1940 toolbox. The first of the proper chests, roll cabs and everything that Snapon started putting in their catalogues. Unreal looking box. Luckily I've got two of them. Slowly filling this one to kind of everything that would have been in the catalogue or thereabouts. More of a hand tools guy, so it's hard finding everything that's Whitworth as well, so probably easier than it is in America, but with being in the UK. So full Imperial and Whitworth set. This is my 932 drive drawer. Another little Imperial set. The very first Allen keys that come out. Double date stamped on this one. So 1929, 1927. And then the later versions, 1940s ones. So they was the only three sizes he brought out. I'm missing about two of them, I think, from the set. So Ford Model A, early 30s cab sockets. Nice little handle, 932 drive. Bit of a mixed drawer. Out of a Merlin Packard set. They didn't actually sell them in the catalogue, but it is Snapon. The year mark and then the number for the kit. Some bits and bobs, screwdriver bits, files. Little tiny punch set. Screwdriver drawer. It's quite hard to find screwdrivers over here. So everything in this box is all Blue Point or Snap-on. So again in here, Whitworth and Imperial. And then slowly building up my square sockets. I'm just missing a couple on this one. Whitworth universal joint. Not actually too sure how many of them they made, but three sizes though. My wrench, or spanner drawer, you'd call it in the UK. Not very organised at the moment. They're all kind of lying around under cars, so I need to go and re-find them. Nice pliers drawer. Vacuum grip. Mine the three rusty sockets, recent purchase. So when I got the box, I got it from Blackpool in the UK, and it was full of, it had some Snap-on in it, mainly Snap-on, and then it had a load of random tools in the box from mainly American brand, and the paracord maybe or something was in the box, so it's about the only thing that I kept in it other than Snap-on. Just as a nice little touch, because the guy who I got it off had got it off an old boy who'd had it from just after the war, I think. So 1934 catalogue. So I've got some interesting bits in here. mid 1920s 932 drive set. Just another normal conventional set underneath. Couple of wrench sets, eBay find. This is the one I'd spent a while building. Just a couple of things short on this being a complete set now. So I've got a couple of pieces in this toolbox already, but they're in my 932 drive drawer. Snapon utility set 932 drive, that tin was told. So this is the sort of junk that come in the box. It's still an odd drawer at the moment, just of odd random stuff. I've not had time to take the rest out. There's a big box of tools that come out of here. So that's the 1940s version of the utility set. VH drive torque wrench. So I'm told, brand new, never been used. Does show signs of never ever having a socket on it. So, with its warranty cards, probably still not in warranty. Believed to be roughly 1940s. So all this stuff would have come in during the war, apart from everything that I found in America to bring in to complete the sets. There we have it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully tune in soon for some more extra little items. So there's plenty more where that come from.